You can see we lost the front plate cover on this bearing here. This is the bottom bearing. You can see it has it. So we were trying to maybe make another one. This is some thin sheet metal. Maybe we were able to put into there, but that didn't work. So we found a washer. It has the right sized hole. So we'll be able to glue this on there, and then we'll have the face back and it'll protect it from dirt getting in there. Now we do have this bearing here that we found, and that is basically the exact same bearing. This would work as a replacement, but we are not quite sure how to get this off without damaging the bearing, because if we were trying to get it off, we damaged it, and then we couldn't get it off the rest of the way. That would be bad, and this bearing works fine. So we'll try to glue this washer onto there. This washer here, the hole in the center needs to just be a little bit bigger so it doesn't rub up against the center part, which is fixed. So we'll just take this down a little bit. Now we'll test fit it. I'll take it out of the vice grips. That seems to fit nicely. We're using some of this electric cleaner to clean off the surface of these parts here so we can glue them together properly. Now we can go ahead and take some of this epoxy glue and very carefully put it around the edge of the bearing. We made sure that this washer was flat. We used some sandpaper. Now we only have it on the outside edge. We can go ahead and put this washer on. Now we have this gluing up, and we're just going to let it dry, but you can see it still spins pretty freely even with that glue on there. I just tried out this bandsaw and it sure cuts a lot straighter, and you can see that spins real freely, just like it's supposed to, and it'll keep the dirt from getting back into the bearing. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.